Well, it's jacket weather this morning. The wind's kind of blowing, but we are going to go over to Deborah and Elaine's, and she's fixing breakfast. So we're having McMimi's. So Deborah's cooking McMimi's. Mmm.
My mama's famous McMimi's.
Yeah. Looks good. So this is a McMimi. Breakfast on a bun.
That's right.
That'd be called a bob. Breakfast on a bun. Bob. Y'all never heard that? Really? Breakfast on a bun. Bob.
See the moo cow? Have you ever seen a moo cow? Look at there, there's a moo cow. Oh my goodness.
Oh,
Oh my goodness.
you gonna bark?
There's another moo cow.
We are on our way to Sitting Bull Falls. This is such a beautiful drive. We've been here once already this year, but Deborah and Lane wanted to come, so heck yeah, we're going. It's beautiful. Okay, I gotta go put this in my truck. There's the puppy dogs.
This is big. My gosh. Yeah, the other guy said, yeah, it's freezing.
Crazy girl. I'm looking for your camera.
Oh. Right side up. Man, this is just massive.
Let's see.
You feel that water?
Uh-uh.
It's cold.
Oh, I bet.
I don't know how they do it.
I wouldn't either.
It looks like a bird hanging upside down.
Yeah.
A bird.
The photographer taking that chick's picture, standing at the falls. That sign says closed to public use. Ben!
Spider crawl across there.
What?
She's gonna do a time lapse.
There better not be a spider.
So we're having a picnic here at the falls. We're having sandwiches.
And they're
Sandwiches.
delicious.
Think that fall?
I don't think so.
Boy, this has just gotten more prettier. More prettier? More pretty? Yeah, as we've been here the last couple of days. Texas sage. Where are you going, Sammy? She said, oh, it stopped raining.
I'm up. I gotta wrap. Oh, she turned around because she saw that camera get out. She's like, oh, picture
There.
taken. It's raining. I'm embarrassed. Don't.
Okay, I'm going to have to undo what you just did.